The next thing you need to do when you've clipped the network cable and all the flex, the next thing to do is to put the cover. Here is it. Put the cover back in place. Put the cover back in place and close it very well. Here is it. When you've closed the cover, put back the fingerprint. Put the fingerprint in place. Make sure you clip it very well. When you've clipped it, the next thing to do, you put back your SIM thread. The SIM thread, just put it back. Then put back all the screws you removed from it. That's another thing you need to do. Make sure you put back all the screws in place. When you've put back all the screws, the next thing you need to do is to clean all the old glue they applied to it. You need to clean the old glue. Clean the old glue very well. Make sure you clean the old glue. That's it. When you've cleaned the old glue, what you need to do next, when you've cleaned the old glue, what you need to do next is to apply a new glue so that you will use it to hold the cover. This glue is what will hold the cover in place. Apply the glue round so you can see. Here is it. When you've applied the glue, also apply at the edges of the cover of this back glass. When you've applied it, the next thing you need to do is to put it back in place. Here is it. Here is it. Cover it. Cover it and allow the glue to dry. Here is it. Here is the new screen. This is how you can be able to fix a screen of Samsung Galaxy A30. Thank you for watching. If today is the first day you are seeing our video, or you've been seeing our video but you are not following our page, please follow our page, like, comment and share the video. Follow our page so that you get update anytime we drop a new video.